going to show you this next effect. It's called half a miracle. What I'd like to do is borrow a dollar bill. Ma'am, do you happen to have a dollar I can borrow, please? Thank you very much. Now what I'd like you to do is actually, before I touch it, I would like you to see if you can find the 3 animals on there. 3 farm animals. The eagle, the owl, and the cow. Can you find them on there? Okay.
Not a cow.
Well, what I'd like you to do is write down the serial number, actually. Write down the serial number, big bold letters around this piece of paper. That way you know that this is your bill. In case you ever see it again. Alright. And what we're going to do is we're going to just show that to everybody. And did you find the farm animals? See, we have the eagle right here, the owl's in the corner, and there's the half and half. Don't worry, it's just a trick, just an illusion. But what I'm going to do is just fold it up like so. Place it right into my hand. And what I'd like you to do, if you'd be so kind, is to just pull on my thumb like that. See, that's how they did it in the old days. Okay? There we have it, just like that. Thank you very much. Now what I'd like to do is point to one of these. Right here, this half and half. Real half and half. This one right here. Okay, what I'd like you to do is to just open it up. Check it out. Wow, look at that. Inside there, your dollar is now magically restored, and make sure the serial number matches. There we have it, half a miracle.